I'm live, right? Yes, I'm live. Let me open the chat window here. Cool. So today there's no plan. We'll try a random problems. We'll see, are we able to do brainstorming or not? Let me share. Okay. Will people join or let me start? Uh, Let me start with Leetcode. See, I tried this questions. This question is pretty good. I miss one edge cases. Like I almost, I almost come up with a solution, but no, I can't say. Like, think is at if it is if you consider it a single cell and it's the edge, then it's impossible to take a single cell. Let me try weekly. Let me try hard. Okay, this is also a medium question. We try this and then that. I want to see like how fast I can start. Okay. You are given a string password. The strength of password is calculated based on the following rule. 1 point for each lowercase, 2 point for uppercase, 3 point for digits, 5 point for special. For each character, at most 1. For each character, contribute at most 1. Okay. And what is the strength? Okay, it's not. It's Hey Rich, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. So what we'll do here is actually I take a challenge like how fast I can solve. Let me first solve this question and I will talk. Then passport if C if is lower answer plus one, else if is upper answer plus two, else if is digit answer plus three, else answer plus equal to five. Okay, bool is lower return 3 is greater than equal to A and N is less than equal to Z. Same way, is upper A is digit and 0 to 9. I hope this is the solution. If okay, return answer. I hope this is the solution. This is the I will not. Why? B. If it is a lowercase, we'll add one, two for distinct. Oh, each distinct. Okay, it's distinct. It's distinct. There's an inbuilt function, unique. There's something, there's one unique, C++ unique. What it will do is actually, it remove all the duplicates. See, if you know some inbuilt function, then it is very good for you, right? Like in speedrun here, say this is how. Resize the vector so that remove. This is what I want to do. So what it does is it's created a iterator. No, syntax is not user friendly. Yeah, this is what we can do. But syntax is not user friendly. Why? What we have to do? Unique start and what is this? No, no. We'll do usual method now. But I'm not getting. Yeah, what I will do is let's not think much. Let's not think much. Did you guys get it? What I'm trying to do here? Does anyone get to know? See, this is this is yay! We get nice AC. There's some message. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, Rich. How are you? I'm good, man. How are you? Do you guys have any question to try? I can try that question also. Any question to try? Or I should try this question then. I took 4 minutes actually. 4 point like around 4.5 minutes, right? That's not pretty. Reset. Guys, are you guys? Where's Rich? You're too interactive, guy. I don't know why it's showing 5 users. I thought there are 5 users. We are. Right. There are 5 content. You guys there, you can chit chat in my live chat. Let me try third one then. Minimum operation to sort a permutation. Let me start the timer. Minimum operation to sort a permutation. You are given an integer array nums of length n where the nums is the permutation of okay 0 to n. You can perform the following operation. Reverse the entire array, rotate left by 1. Okay. Move the left element and the reset. Okay, what they're trying reverse the entire array. Okay. Rotate left by 1. What that means? Move the first element to the end. Okay, that means we can move this to this. And rest element by one position. So it's like a one left shift. Return an integer denoting the minimum number of operations required to sort. Okay. So we can reverse the entire array. Okay, we can't reverse the part, right? The part of array. So what my like what in there's a one point like one small observation. What we can do is we can build 0, 1, 2, 3, or we can build 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and we'll perform one. If this is giving minimum, then we'll perform one more operation to reverse the entire array to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever is the minimum, is this or this case? That is the answer, right? Now, uh, wait, I'm not still not getting. Rotate left by 1. Move the first element to the end of the array and return the minimum number of operations required to sort in increasing order. If it is not possible to sort the array, we have to return -1. See, now the point is, it's also possible we are unable to sort, right? So my question is, array should always in a yeah, array should always in a circular manner. then only we can say it is a potential input. Otherwise, we have to return -1. Now, how we can check that? So we can check, like, say if you find out the difference 0, 1, so you will see only one breakpoint. Array, for example, say if it is sorted array and it is a rotated also. So what you will observe is this, and you will start observing this. Or what you can see is this, and it will start. So there is only one breakpoint. If there is only one breakpoint, that means we have our potential answer. Yes. Then we don't just we need to find this breakpoint. Let's say we have found out that is the breakpoint is the ith index, then our answer is minimum of this or minimum of this plus one. That's the answer. You guys get it? I hope this is the solution. Yeah. So let me find out the breakpoints. What we can do is here. Firstly, we have to find out the breakpoint. And let me say n is equal to nums dot size, right? If nums of I, what if we have this array 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0? So in this case, there is no. So what we can do is by default, we'll consider our first element as our breakpoint. Okay. Uh, I'm thinking, is there any better way to code this? So you can take your time and think better solution instead of going for a long implementation. Like, yes, yes. So I want to check how many breakpoint does this input has. It's reverse. Okay. And then perform. We want something in order of n and n log n. Okay. Input is pretty huge, right? Like it's a decent input. You can't run. I'm thinking that let me observe. Is there any better? Can it do something better here or not? Hmm, thinking is what if we reverse something? What does it change? It does not change, right? Let's say I have this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then something smaller than 5. Okay. But reverse, what does reverse change here? Nothing, right? what we check here is nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. There's always a difference of 1. See, there's one more observation we can put here. There's always a difference of 1. If we get difference greater than 1, that means it's a breakpoint. See, this is this can be a potential good observation. So if you have a sorted array and it is a rotative, let me take example of this array. It's a this if you rotate this array two times, and for example, if I rotate this array, this 3, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. So we'll see difference is 1, difference is not 1, difference is 1, difference is 1, right? That means we have one breakpoint in this array. Get it? Yeah. What we'll do is instead of this, we'll calculate difference. Nums of I minus nums of I minus 1. If difference is greater than equal to, if difference is greater than equal to, that means we have this, I call it a breakpoint. So, and let me put it this index. Index is equal to I, right? What I'll do here is if count is greater than 1, return minus 1. Otherwise, we have to found. Otherwise, we have to do some work here. Logic. Let me just test for dummy. Did we handle the minus 1 case? Yeah, see, we handle this minus 1 case, right? Now we need to think about how can do. Okay, so now we have index, a breakpoint. That is this index. Now we have the breakpoint, right? See, break it as 1. It's 2, right? 2 is our breakpoint. And here 0, 1, 2 is our breakpoint. Or what we can do, we can actually make it more meaningful. See, right now we are unable to identify it is increasing breakpoint or it is decreasing breakpoint, right? We know it's a breakpoint, but is it increasing or decreasing? We don't know, right? For that, what we have to do is, uh, it's a breakpoint. That's for sure we know. 0, 2. For this kind of breakpoint, we have to reverse it and then we can sort. And here it's a potential good breakpoint. See, 1. We can rotate 2 times and we'll get an answer. That's fine. Okay, we have breakpoint now. Let me think what we can do with this breakpoint. How we can sort. We want 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, and minus 1, right? That is what we want. And we know from here, we have one more information. See, a number is always from 0 to n minus 1, right? Hmm, that's true. Let's say Let's not think much. Let's say we have this 102. Just sort it out. What like we want to sort, what we'll do here is we want 0 to come here. So 0, 2 and 1, right? What we can do is still this is not sorted. We'll again shift. So it is always in this cycle, right? 2, 1, 0. Then again we'll do 1. Then we'll see here is 1, 0, 2. We'll do one more operation. Then we'll get 0, 2 and 1. And we end up with the same permutation. Like we don't want. We end up like otherwise we'll into a loop. So how we can eliminate is we want like say reverse is always mandatory. No, reverse is the operation you have to perform first if you want reverse in your answer. Like if you want to perform reverse, the entire array, you have to perform it is the first operation. Then only then using this operation we will sort out the array. But how will identify when we have to perform reverse? So see how we can identify here is uh, what I'm thinking is we want order if less than. Like if we have something like this, then we don't need to perform the reverse. See, because we want increasing array, right? So what we'll do here is if we have something like this order, what we'll do is we'll perform one reverse operation and we'll this is this, then this becomes we perform reverse, then this becomes the first element. Then we'll get something like this. And this is what we want, right? So we'll check here what is the order. Let me take this example. So see, 1 is greater than 0 and 0 is less than 2, right? So you'll see we have this order, this, right? This. So what we'll do here is with this breakpoint, we'll check here if nums of index -1 is greater than nums of I and nums of what I'm thinking is see, which is our break. We are storing this is our breakpoint, right? Ha. So for this element, we have to compare with this and this. At a breakpoint, this is the breakpoint, right? I just want to know if we have this order or this ordering. That's it. So for example, let me create. Let's say I have something like this. 4 here, 3 here, then 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. So this is 43012 means 43012. Just write it down. 4 is greater than 3, greater than 0, is less than 1, less than 2. Right. So here, if we have something like this, do we need to perform reverse here? Do we need to perform reverse here? No, right? So, so from this example, we get one more observation. Before this breakpoint, every element is smaller than all the element on its right. In this case, we don't need to perform reverse operation. And let me give you one more example. Let's say instead of this, I have this 2, 1, 0, 3, and 4. This is also potential, right? And if you write out this expression, it also give me this, right? The point is we always get, say, we will not get this. If it is a potential, if it is a possible input, that means we can convert this input to a potential permutation. Hey, Rich, that's fine, that's fine. Oh, got it. That's fine. So in this question, actually, let me summarize what I'm trying to do. The question is asking what is the minimum operation you can sort the entire array. Operation R, you can reverse the entire array, or you can shift the array by one position left. So after lots of thinking, I come up with an observation that if we have more than one breakpoint, and breakpoint is I'm talking about the breakpoint means this. If we have more than one breakpoint, that means it's not a possible. We can't sort the array using this operation. So we simply print -1 for that case, and I calculated the breakpoint is in this manner. Right? So so now a point is we always have this, right? So what we'll do here is now I need to check before this breakpoint is everything smaller than its right side. If it is, so we don't need to perform the reverse operation. That's it. Yeah, that is the answer. So what I will do is I'll create a set in st, and what I'll do then I'll 0 is less than index. Index is just a breakpoint, and let me put the values into set dot insert nums of I. Now I'll check from int I is equal to index I is less than n I plus plus. So now what we have to check is if let's say answer is equal to 0, if nums of I, oh, we need to check this number is smaller or greater, right? What we can do here is we'll find the smallest number. Instead of doing this, let me find the smallest number is equal to 19 for int is equal to 0 is less than index I plus plus. Mean is equal to minimum of mean comma nums of I. If nums of I is greater than mean, then we simply do answer plus plus and break, right? Now our answer is how many shifts we need? This many, right? I minus 1. That's a 0, 1, 2. Answer plus is equal to index. I hope this is somewhat the answer question. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, now the point is why we are getting 3 here. Let's debug then. We have this, okay, 1, 0, and 2. And this is the case. So this is the case. This is the case where we have to actually perform the reverse. So right now, let me track answer is 1, right? And we perform the reverse here. Then 2, 0, 1. Now, wait, what do you mean? What's the breakpoint here is 2. Ah, that's the case. See, here breakpoint is 2. Okay. Yeah, yeah. We just need a little bit concrete code. Like it can handle breakpoint easily. So if you perform reverse, if we perform reverse, then we don't even need this. I'll let you know why I commented out this push part. No, no, this is not good. Wait, bull, okay is equal to 0, okay is equal to 1, answer minus is equal to k. Wait, I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Someone has sent me a telegram. Are you, Nihal, you can, yeah, yeah. There is a Nihal Kiran Kumar. Bro, you can, if you want to, if you want something to ask, you can ask in a flash, right? I can answer you. Hello, Bhaiya. I was just finished my 12th standard and also my entrance competitive exams are done. Can you please suggest me something to learn or try out in the remaining 2, 3 months which are productive, which helps me in my college too? I want to know which field are you planning to go and what are your future goals. You can let me know. I will definitely help you. So where we are? Yeah, here, right? It is one. How is this possible? 0, 2, 1. Oh, the breakpoint is this. Okay. Okay, breakpoint is this. Then we perform reverse. Okay. Got it. I got it. What is happening here? See, if you perform reverse, then the breakpoint index is changing, right? If it is not middle, then if you reverse, then breakpoint index is n minus I. If it is I, then it becomes n minus I. Yeah, yeah. I just want to confirm that is the only potential error. If I perform reverse here, then it becomes 0. It's become actually 1, 2, and 0, right? Yeah. Then I need how many shifts? 1 and 2. Answer is 2 here, right? How is this possible? We have this. I reverse, rotated by 1 and then reverse. Oh, this is something different. I thought if we want to perform reverse, we'll always perform first. Reverse. Seems like that is not true here. Wait a minute. I perform reverse. Okay. Now I need 2 shifts. Yeah, got it. That's not true actually. Or it is. So this is how it is, right? People, I don't know how people is able to solve in 2 and 3 minutes in the contest. If I have question, a good question, it's need actually. It make you think, right? And that's what you. And if you start thinking, and you'll always feel better, even though if you are unable to solve the question as quick as possible. But the dopamine you will get, like yeah, today I thought something. That is what motivation for me. At least. What I can do here? Can I perform binary search here? No, right? It's not monotonic. It's not monotonic also, right? Okay. Mm, seems like I'm stuck now. Fuck. No, I don't want to feel stuck. Wait, wait, wait. Let me take one hint here. The operation generates only rotation of nums and rotation of reverse num. Oh, it's a casework. The operation generates only rotations of nums and rotations of reverse of num. Yeah, that's true. And we have to print minimum of both of them, right? That is what they are trying to say. Oh, if we have only one breakpoint, then always possible to sort, right? Or not? It's always possible to sort. Let's say, wait, why they are not 0, 1, 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. Breakpoint is 0, 1, 2. This is my breakpoint. Okay. Expected is -1. How? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It should be 3 and 4. Okay, but my code should give -1, right? If I handle that case correctly. Yes, it is not able to handle -1 case also. Fuck. Why? Why this cola very deep? How can I identify it is impossible case? Let me draw the pattern. I think pattern is the only reason someone is laughing at me. I know. I'm dumb. I don't know why. I'm not able to get it. Pattern is also correct. That means this should be like this. 0, 1, 2, and it's like this. Uh, Greater than, right? Smaller than, smaller than. This is the correct pattern, right? What we get here is 3. Wait, let me separate out the pattern. Oh, this is what we are getting. Let's say if you have more element, then this is what we have, right? Oh my God, yes, this is what it is. We want this element to flip. I don't, I don't have any solution in my mind. It's only based on observation. If I can, this is one of the valid. If I reverse it out, then it look like this. This four. No, no, no. It's like one, two, three, four, and this. Oh, it's too confusing. And you just reverse, right? Less than become greater than become less than, right? Yeah. So it becomes greater than, four greater than, and one this, then again this. Okay. These are the two potential cases. We have used almost 33 minutes. This is 46. No, no, this is not hard. It's a four pointer, right? Or it's a five pointer, right? Five pointer is not pretty hard. We can do here is like starting your examples. Let's say we have 0, 1, 3, 4, and 5. What we'll do is we have this answer is 0, but how we can approach? We have this pattern, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This pattern. Okay. Answer is 0. And let me, what we can do, manipulate this. Can we manipulate in some manner? I mean, let me do this. 1, 5, 2, 3, 2. Now what is the pattern? This, 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 and this. Okay. What will be the answer in this case? 1 is less than 5. We need to perform one left shift. Answer is 2 here. I think we need to take more hints. So sorting is possible if and only if number is rotated or increasing order or rotated in a decreasing order. Okay. So sorting is possible if the number is if and only if number is rotated increasing order or a decreasing order. Okay. How will identify this? The number is increasing cycle and then left right times so that in reverse again. Take the minimum between both of them. Okay. If numbers are decreasing, try both possibility. Reverse first or rotate first and then reverse. And take the minimum first. Okay. Yeah. This is what I'm thinking of. Let's follow the hint one only. Each reachable array can be represented as a state. Since all reachable array belongs to one of two families, one can compress the state into shift type is equal to 0 and a rotation of original array. Type is equal to 1, a rotation of a reverse array. Shift denote the number of left rotation applied within the family. Okay. As rotation changes shift, reverse toggle type, but also changing the corresponding. This is not. No. and to learn this concept. Like I got it what they're trying to do, but I'm unable to identify while reading the question. Like I have to represent it into state. Okay, okay, that's fine. Let's try add folder. So add folder question. Yeah, today I missed that folder, right? You can try add folder BC. No, 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 no big story. Something smaller, I will try. Query optimization. It is query optimization for sure. Should we try this? If there are people waiting to see how to approach, then only I will try. Otherwise, we'll end the stream and we'll try a contest tomorrow, a fresh contest. The customer is trying to buy an item at a supermarket. A regular price of this item is CIM. The customer must purchase all an item. This supermarket offer a tight discount service based on the total amount in a single checkout. There are key ties. I don't have energy to read. I will. I need to. It is in my mind to do this question anyhow. Oh, the bridge there. It's in Wi-Fi off. I'm back again. I thought it's gone, right? Power cut somewhere, maybe. What are the things you can see here? Okay, yeah, this is fine. That's all for today then. Thank you guys for joining. Bye bye.